What should you wear for your next headshot session? Well, that is a good question, as in today's video I'm going to be sharing 3 tips on how you can feel a lot more better about your next headshot session. Hi, I'm Jess. I'm a professional portrait and family photographer, and I'm based in Camp Pickford, Mallorca, and I've worked with such a variety of different people on my shoots. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. And after you watch this video, you will be a lot more prepared for your next headshot session. Tip number 1 is wearing tight-fitted clothing to your headshot photo shoot, as it can have a slimming effect, and also headshots are only from the head to your shoulders, and as far as worrying about your stomach or anything, you don't see any of that, you only see from here up. So tight-fitted clothing is always the best option for when you have any headshot sessions. Tip number 2 is wearing solids or neutral colours. You don't want anything patterned or any patterned tops, as it can distract from the face. Wearing whites, greys or blacks are usually the best option. And tip number 3, the final tip, you want to dress for the job you're going for. What you wear sends a message to the person that is looking at the brand photos. So you want to think about what impression they're getting when they look at your photos. And most of the time, what people want to get from a headshot photo is for them to look professional, confident and approachable. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you found value out of watching this. And also don't forget to turn on the post notification bell, as when you do that you will get notified when I upload a new video. But I hope you're enjoying your day or night or wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.